This is an example of text consisting of random numbers, random letters, upper and lowercase, punctuation marks, symbols and Hebrew letters. ANSII code from 32 to 126 and from 224 to 250 for the Hebrew letters, all randomly generated and randomly placed. We would like to extract only the numbers, or we would like to extract only the uppercase letters, or we would like to extract only the symbols and punctuation marks, or we would like to extract only the Hebrew letters, or any combination of the above. Doing this with Excel formulas will be very difficult because of a total lack of consistency. Doing this using UDFs is a possibility for letters, numbers and Hebrew letters, but the symbols and punctuation marks will be a problem. The easiest and fastest way is to do this with Power Query using the Text.Select and the Text.Remove formulas in added custom columns.